Hello everybody and welcome to another snapshot tutorial video. I am back. This is Peter Tusick, brand ambassador of Blindness Products, and I am coming at you with a new snapshot tutorial video on the BIX series because we launched version 1.2 of the brilliant BIX series software. And so we're glad to have done this. We brought in a lot of new features, one of which is the ability to run the device in one-handed mode. Something that has been asked for and that we certainly have included on all of our products for a very long time, and now it is part of the BIX series family. I'm going to walk you through how to turn on one-handed mode. It is very straightforward, and I will show you this as a one-handed sort of user so that you don't have to actually put in these shortcuts if you're unable to type them with one hand. I am on the main menu, and I'm going to space down to the options menu. So I'm going to use my space bar until I reach options, and I'm going to press enter or a cursor router key to activate. You could certainly also do this by pressing O with space if you are able to. Once we're in options, we're going to space down until we reach user settings. You could certainly press the letter U if you're able to as well. Come in and find user settings and press enter or a cursor router key to activate. And now I'm going to use my spacebar to locate the one-handed mode option. I will see one-handed mode followed by the word off. On my braille display, I'm going to press a cursor router key or enter to turn this on. And now one-handed mode is active. The way this works is when I'm using one-handed mode, and this will be applicable when I'm in terminal mode as well, anything I need to execute, I will finish with the spacebar. So for instance, if I wanted to enter the letter B into a document, or I'm just in a menu and I wanted to move to a menu item that starts with B using Keysoft and first letter navigation, I'll press dots 1 and 2 in any order, and then the spacebar, and that will input a B. So as soon as I press the spacebar, it tells the device to input what I have entered. If your command begins with or contains the spacebar, so let's say space with 1, 2, 3 to go to the top of a file, or more relevant, let's go to the main menu. Space with full cell is how we get to the main menu in Keysoft. What I have to do is begin my command with the spacebar. So if I press space and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in any order, and then space again, I will come to the main menu. Again, using the spacebar will input what we have. So let's say I want to check the time. I will press 2, 3, 4, 5 in any order and then enter. That is my enter with T command, followed by the spacebar, and boom, I'm going to get my time shown on the braille display. So again, this is how we're able to turn on one-handed mode. We would turn it off the same way, that is by going to options, by going to user settings, and then finding our one-handed mode setting and toggling it with a cursor router key or enter. This has been a quick snapshot tutorial video on version 1.2 of the brilliant BIX series firmware, and we thank you for watching, and I will certainly be back with more very soon. Thank you, friends.